Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a Primark haul for you and I'm just going to jump straight into it. So first off, you guys know I've got a little bit of a jacket obsession. I've also got a little bit of an obsession with denim. So I saw this and I just kind of had to have it. It was £15. And I love the dusky pink colour. I think it's so nice, and I also like that it's got these little distressed bits around the collar and just on like random bits of the jacket as well. I just think that it's quite cute for springtime. So yeah, don't judge me. I already have like 8 denim jackets. Definitely didn't need another one, but I just couldn't resist, man. £15. Next up for a tenner, and keeping in with the colour theme, I picked up these trousers. I just really like them. I think they're so cute for springtime. I love the little bow around the waist as well, and I just love the flowy fabric. I've mentioned it a few times, but I'm just kind of into floral print at the moment, and I like how the waist is stretchy as well, like the back is stretchy, so it's just comfy, and I think these would be really cool in summertime as well. For £7, I just saw this out of the corner of my eye and I had to pick it up. It's just a normal sized shirt, but I got mine in a size 10 so that it would be oversized on me. I do like an oversized shirt. I just think they look so nice for when you want to be cash, and I like wearing these kind of with a bodycon skirt or whatever, or some shorts underneath when the weather's nicer, so you can't really tell you're wearing anything underneath because it's a bit long, and then just some trainers, and I think that that's a really nice look. So I picked up this top for £10, which, looking at it, you'd think it'd be really cute, right? Like, I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that would look so cute with just like a pair of shorts or jeans or whatever when the weather's nice. I tried this on and it is honestly hideous. Like, it just does not hang nicely. I look about 40 years old in it. I'm just not feeling it at all. I also didn't have an appropriate bra to put underneath. Like, I've packed all of my strapless bras away for some reason. I don't know why I've done that. I've done it because I'm renovating my bedroom, but I don't know why. I've just left myself with like basic bras, so I couldn't even wear this anyway. And it is quite see-through. I don't know, like, looking at it, it looks so cute, but on me anyway, it just looks absolutely horrific. This was, how much were you? £10. It's going back. These shorts were also £10. Let me know whether you think I should keep these, because I'm not really sure about them. I like how they're kind of like flowy and stuff, but I just don't know if I'll really wear them. Tell me how you would style these down below. Like, I'm thinking with like a little crop top or something, but I don't know if I love the shape of them. You let me know your thoughts down below. I also just picked up these standard £2.50 leggings for round the house. I love Primark's leggings for round the house. Honestly, £2.50, you can't go wrong. They're just super comfy. I love them, and I've mentioned this before as well, but I definitely think that they've upped their quality of their leggings, because I never used to like them. You used to be able to see your bum through them, and you can't anymore, which is definitely a bonus. You don't want to be able to see your bum. Not that I wear leggings with my bum out, to be honest. I always wear them like as an underneath kind of thing, like with a long top or whatever. Probably shouldn't even mention these, but I picked up some cotton pads, 50p. I always mention these. I don't know why I do, but they're amazing. 50p, man, like, that's so much cheaper than anywhere else. Okay guys, I don't really know why I've done this, because I'm not planning on having a garden party or anything like that, but their homeware section was just super cute, and they've got some really cute like outside like party bits slash picnicky sort of bits, so I just picked some up because I couldn't really resist them. And the first bits that I got were these wine glasses. Just like plastic colourful wine glasses. How cute are these? I think I'm just gonna have to get peeps round and drink in the garden, to be honest. I mean, I've only got 4. I could go and get more. I love the colours. They're so cute, and these were £5, which is pretty decent. They're decent sized glasses, these as well, save you going for a top up. To go with my glasses, I got these Novelty straws. I mean, it was just the little fruit bits on them, which I found absolutely adorable. I just couldn't leave them. I thought I'm gonna have to get people over and drink wine in the garden just so that I can use these straws and those glasses, to be honest. These were £1.50. Obviously the watermelon one is gonna be mine, but the lime, the strawberry, and is that a pineapple or a lemon? I think it's a lemon. They're going free. Does anyone want to come and have a party with us? I'm so sad. Oh mate, I've also got plates. why have I done this? I don't even remember doing this. Was I drunk while I was in Primark? I don't remember putting these in my basket. I've obviously just put these in thinking that they're absolutely adorable, which they are. Look at the pattern. They've got Paisley on them. That is so cute. There's 2 plates in each packet, and obviously they're plastic, so you could take these on a picnic as well. That would be so cute. These were £4 each, £2 per plate. I think that's a bit much. Like, why did I do that? I could get actual glass plates for that, but I do think that the pattern is really cute. Oh, this is why I've got the plates, isn't it? Because I can't resist matchy stuff, and there was matching napkins. Look at them. How much were these? Is this going to astonish me? Oh no, these were only £1 each, so that's alright. I might hang on to the plates just because I like the napkins. That's definitely why I've done it. So leave me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what your favourite item was from this haul. As always, I think mine was the wine glasses with the cute straws. I can just envisage myself on a sunny day sitting in my garden drinking wine with like me watermelon straw. Not on my own, that would be sad. I'm definitely going to have to get people over to do that with me. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did as well. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!